Thanks to young Rocket Kid, Slimer ornaments have continued to be our #1 seller.
Please like and share.
We start with a 3D print, cleaning off the supports by hand. We use only the best, professional-grade products. Airbrushing the mouth always gets the best realism and coverage. Mix up our secret paint combinations.
Please like and share. Please like and share.
Now, fighting painful arthritis, each ornament is meticulously hand-painted.
Please follow. Every follower tells the algorithm we are appreciated. Every follow and share goes a long way.
Every ornament is a one-of-a-kind. To think, I've never painted anything before we started this. After a pro-grade clear coating, we drill a hole to insert the LED light bulb and hang.
Share with your friend's smiley face.
Order your Slimer ornaments only at rocketk1d.com.
Wow!